I'm going to start off by saying this test went really bad. So let's look at the footage. Smoke. So I've just turned the power off, and we're going to go and at least attempt to fix this. By taking out the neutral. And the neutral can come out yet. Okay, let's do a test now. Turn you on. Putting the detector light right next to it now. Okay, the system's been reset, and we're going to now. I think it should be clear enough now to do the test. Just leave it at that. Yeah, let's go one more. Wait a few more moments, see if it all clears out. Go on, all. Yeah, I think it's clear enough now. Let's go and look at the machine. We'll go downstairs and water from a distance. There is a big issue, and that is that for some really bizarre reason the smoke's not getting to the detector. Let's just pretend the fire has spread now. The fire has spread, and it's now coming from this direction. The fire is now coming from this direction over here. It's currently in a state what is known as pre-alarm, which is before it's going to go off. There is still not enough smoke in here for it to go off.